Hi everyone, thanks so much for stopping in today. Today we have one mystery box. Okay, let's put that back there. These are heavy boxes. Two mystery boxes. So I have mystery box winners to be drawn. I will reset everything to my laptop and we'll have the winners drawn in just a few moments. Be right back. We are now inside YouTube Studio, inside my monthly mystery box giveaway video. And the only thing that you do need from your video is right here, which is the video link. So you need to copy and paste that or click these boxes. It does the same thing. That's all you need to use the YouTube random comment picker. Now, I was going to use the wheel of names, but there's like 60 names. And I think that might not work for the wheel. There was a lot of entries for this. And there are two winners. So, I mean, the slices are going to be so small. I mean, it still would be fair, but I think I'm just going to use the YouTube comment picker for the winners to be chosen. So you take that link and you post it right here. You paste it in right here. I'm just going to filter duplicate users because it was still just one entry. One comment is one entry and that's all you're entitled to. There was no keyword. I believe I did not put a keyword. If I'm not mistaken, I'm just going to verify that real fast. I thought this was the one that I didn't do a keyword. Yes, no keyword. Just want to, I don't know what day. Yes, no keyword. I'm just wanted to verify that before I moved on and did something wrong here because half the time I do use a keyword. So what we're going to do is now we're just going to come down right here. It says get YouTube comments and we're going to click that and it's going to tell us how many comments are viable for this, that did everything perfectly for this giveaway. And there were 60, and I'll just verify with you, like if I was going to do the wheel of names right here, I did, and hopefully this comes up. There were 60 names that I wrote down. Hopefully you guys can see that. Yep, so there were 60. I was going to use the wheel of names, so I was writing, and I'll show you this too. I had everybody's names written down on paper. I was going to put them all in there. I was going to do that, and I figured, you know what, that's a lot of work. So I figured I'll just use this the last time because I do prefer the wheel of names. I think it's a lot nicer. This way is easier, but I think it's nicer when you can physically see your name on the wheel. So this, like I said, this will probably be the last time that I use this one. So then all you do is come down here and click the start button and we'll have winner number 1 chosen for the first mystery box. Good luck, everyone. And the winner of box number 1 is Karen Jean. Congratulations, Karen. You're the winner of box number 1. And let's have box number 2 drawn. Good luck. And the winner of box number 2 is Bugs Family Unboxing. Just write this down. So congratulations to winner number 1 is Karen Jean. And the winner of the second box is Bugs Family Unboxing. In my description box is how you can get a hold of me. You have 5 days to do so to claim your box. Thank you to everyone who entered. Don't forget, there's a new way to enter for mystery boxes. I'm going to refer you back to my video from April 15th. For all the details on that. Have a great day, everyone. I appreciate all of you, and I'll catch you all in my next video. Bye-bye now.